All right, everyone, I'll quickly move to the onboarding app, but let me set a quick context, right? Like we've seen most new hires, they do not quit over money, right? They quit because of how they were welcomed. I'm not going to say anything for it, right? I'm going to show you some articles here. You can see this is what the post was on LinkedIn. Everyone has a bad onboarding experience. No laptop on the first day. Your hiring manager on vacation. HR not expecting you when you turn up. Then this is Quora. I was given a laptop and a stack of documentation and then left to figure things out on my own. I had no idea who to talk to and I didn't feel like part of the team at all. Right? So 64% they quit within a year after a bad onboarding. 17% they're gone in 90 days. 1 in 3 they are going to say that onboarding was really poor. So these rants, they aren't random. They cluster into the same handful of failures. The top like the new problems, the new hires they're complaining about again and again. We have a few of them, right? I'm just going to share you a few. Nobody knew I was coming. Okay. No laptop, no desk, no logins, managers on leave, HR unaware. The new hires first impression is that the company is disorganized and doesn't care, right? Sink or swim, handed work with zero training, a laptop and a pile of documents, then you're left alone, like dropped into live tasks before they understand the company, okay, the tools or who to ask. Now we've sought this all out and we have a app that is actually like this is a proprietary app that we've built, right? And this is going to help you, right, how you can actually like build a proper onboarding plan for yourself for the coming 30 to 90 days, right? And I'll show this to you. This is exactly how it looks like. I'll show you the dashboard later, but right now this is exactly where you have to click. You have to come to the new hire, and that's exactly what you'll have on your screen. The job title I've filled as counseling trainee. The team department, it's sales. Seniority is here, and then I've also like uploaded a job description of counseling trainee as well. And then I've also filled in the core responsibilities here. You'll speak with people who have already shown interest in our courses. Your job is to understand what each person, etc. All of this, I've filled up the core responsibilities and then also the targets. What does success look like at day 30? Right. So it's very important to feed in all the information that you have with yourself so that it actually builds a proper, extensive onboarding plan for you. Right. Know your courses, run the full CRM workflow daily without error, start taking live calls. All right, all of this. The goals are also here. The name, the starting date, work mode is here, right? Prior experience level, manager name, onboarding buddy is also here, right? And also, I've uploaded a few training documents here, like conflict of interest policy is very important. Then the onboarding SOP, right? The statement of purpose that we have with us, right? Now you see this is exactly where I've like mentioned all the details, and here you can see onboarding intensities here. You can either build a plan of 30 days or 60 days. Right now I'm only going to go for building a plan for 30 days. Now you see I'm just going to click on it and you'll see what it generates for all of us, right here. Okay.
Remember, always feeding more details helps. Bhakti, are you doing it in offline mode or does it require API key?
It does require the API key. I'm going to show this to them as well.
Okay. This has an offline mode function also. So basically, it has a program inside which runs without an AI tool. So you can use it for free.
Yeah,
Okay.
so this
And it
is,
has an API key.
you can see it's loading here. And also it's like there's an open like AI router that we've chosen for ourselves, open router, that actually gives you the access to free AI tools. So you don't have to pay anything for this. Now you see the plan has been generated. You can see it's here. Plan preview is given. What success looks like at day 30. It's given here, right? And week 1, right? It's compliance, culture, the connection, and it's also mentioned all the dates here as well, right? And attend the company orientation like session to understand company values and culture, right? And this is the date is given here. Now you can see week 2 is here, guided contribution, right? So week by week plan is given here. And now it's the 30th day plan. I'll also show you we have a master plan as well, right? So this is exactly how it is generated, the master plan for you. Now imagine a new hire, he's so overwhelmed, he's under so much of pressure when he's joined. If you'll give him this kind of plan, it will make the process smoother for him, right? Now you can see we also have a review report that we've generated here. It needs more details here to be filled in. I've filled in little less details. I'm doing it for the example purposes. All right, I'll show you, and you can download this plan right from here, download PDF, right? And after that, I'll show you the settings part also. Right here, you can see we've generated a API key and we've copy pasted it here, right? And so it's not like it's free. The open router, I was just telling you about this, right? So the user, it gets access to a lot of free AI tools, right? So you don't have to pay anything here as well. Right now, I'm going to take you to this. I can show you the dashboard as well. It's here. It's showing you how many of people you've already sent this out to, right? Yeah, so this is all how it goes. I've already connected my Gmail here as well. I'll just show you. Wait. So right here, you can see the weekly check-ins are also given. And also all of this 30-day report is also here. Now I'm going to just click on email plan, right? And you can see download the PDF. It's like I'm just clicking on that. The PDF is downloaded and it's going to get attached on its own, right? And I'm just going to click here on the email ID. I'm just going to send it to you for reference. I'm just going to show that to you. I'm just going to click on send email. See, it's saying the email has been sent to this. I'll show you exactly where it is. Just give me a moment. I'm just going to open the ID here. It will
Wow,
upload.
it sent email from Bhavti to that person.
Yeah. You see, it's here. You see? Please find the attached your personal onboarding plan. You see, it's here, right? So that's how exactly it's performing for us. Did you like it?